एक वीडियो है।
आज भी वीडियो है।
हाँ,
क्या?
एक छोटा वाला गेम है।
Okay.
वो थोड़ा वीडियोस देखेगा ना, उनको भी यूज़फुल है।
ओके
थोड़ा पनिशमेंट में है।
हैं?
हाँ।
Bad breath only comes from mouth. Is it a myth or fact? Okay. Bad breath not only comes from mouth. It is not only because of teeth issues or oral cavity issues. It is also because of your stomach issues. If you have tonsillitis, if you have dirty tongue, or if you have any systemic health issues, can also reflect in bad breath. So bad breath is not only because from the mouth. It can also be some other reasons. So that was the first one. It was myth and fact.
Okay.
So that's a myth. You should brush your teeth in circle, not back and forth.
Yeah.
वो सच है या नहीं? You should brush your teeth in circle. हम circle में brush करना है, ऐसा back and forth में नहीं है. आप बताने को.
सर्कल में ही करना है।
Circle में ही करना है. We should always, the brushing should be always in circular motion, and the circular motion should be followed in the joining point of the gum and the teeth. It shouldn't be back and forth. If you do back and forth, you will have bone loss, gingival recession, all of that kind of things. So the brushing should be in a circular motion. Yes, that is that. So punishments.
पनिशमेंट ही नहीं मिल गया।
आज मैं लकी है. Baby teeth don't matter, they fall out anyway. Is it a myth or fact? Baby teeth do matter. Even if they fall out, it guides the permanent teeth to come properly. So it do matter. You should take care of your baby teeth, and baby teeth should be healthy. It do matter. So this is all good one.
Yeah.
Okay, so first punishment, wear cheek retractor and say floss like a boss 2 times. Okay, okay, cheek retractor. Okay, floss like a boss. Okay. Floss like a floss like a
ब्रश।
Okay, that is enough. That is enough. I think this is all punishment now.
ओह,
You don't need to floss your teeth if you brush well. You don't need to floss your teeth if you brush well. आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं वो. हम फ्लोस नहीं करना है. हम ब्रश कर दिया तो फ्लोस नहीं करना है या नहीं?
कर दिया तो अच्छा है।
कर दिया तो अच्छा है. क्यों?
वो ब्रश कर दिया तो ऊपर कहीं जाएगा, वो अंदर का गैप में शायद
नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
Right. So it is very important to do flossing every day. It is recommended to do every day because brushes can't remove the dirt which is in between the teeth. So the in between teeth should be cleaned with a floss. So floss, if you don't know, it's a white thread like thing. If you want to know about more and how to do floss, we have done a video previous. So go and get checked. Okay. So that was that. Then we have draw a smiley using mouth mirror.
Yeah.
That's funny. Okay. Mirror. Okay. So I should look in the mouth mirror and draw. Okay. Where is, yeah, okay. Okay.
Yeah, it is good.
Thank you. Okay. Then we have, if nothing hurts, my teeth are healthy. It is a myth because if you have small decay, small cavity, small gum issues, which means gingivitis and all in a mild stage, it doesn't hurt, but it doesn't mean that your teeth and gum is healthy. So you need to have a regular follow-up with your dentist. Because if you can get treated in that minor situations, but once the pain starts, which means it has grown to a next stage, so you'll have to go for a little bit big. So you can choose whether you want to go through the pain and then do the procedures, or you don't want to go through the pain and you want to get it treated. So it's audience choice.
Okay. I think
Thank
it
you.
is useful.